How's it going, everyone? Chris back with another video. Today I have something I'm actually quite excited about. This is the Xiaomi 10,000 milliamp hour wireless charging battery bank. I have another one of their battery banks, which is the 20,000 milliamp hour one. It's all white. I did a video a couple years ago. Still use it to this day. It's been great, but it's time for an upgrade. This offers wireless charging. This offers USB-C power delivery fast charging, quick charge 3.0, 2.0, fast charging input and output. You can charge multiple devices at the same time. So you can pick this up on Banggood or GearBest. Banggood offers it for $56, $55, depending on if they have any sales. It could be less by the time you watch this video, but 10,000 milliamp hours, which is great capacity. It has a aluminum alloy build. It offers wireless charging up to 10 watts max. So you're going to fast charge wireless devices that support that. Unfortunately, not the Pixel, but it'll still charge it nonetheless. Here we can see our amperage, wattage outputs of our USB A and C ports here. Let's go ahead and get this open and see what we get in the box. So the box is actually really small and pretty hefty and dense for what it is. I was actually surprised when I got this. So right off the bat, there's some warranty, other manual information in the box. And then here we have a small thin cabled USB-C to USB-A for charging. And then we actually have the battery bank itself. A nice little sleeve that it comes in. I wish it actually came with a nice little bag. That'd be pretty sweet. But this is fine. This is really dense. It feels really premium and super nice. And right away I can feel the cold alloy finish of the actual battery bank. And then up here, up on the front, is nice rubber pad, which is going to be for your wireless charging, which is nice because that way your phone is not going to slide around when charging. Down here at the bottom we have our 10,000 milliamp hour, some other guidelines and yada yada. But then you just peel this off. We are greeted with the actual interface of ports. So we have our USB-C port, we have our USB-A port, which output 1 and output 2, and it actually tells you on the battery bank itself the speeds in which each of those ports output. And then you also have a little button here to show and indicate how much battery is left. It blinks, okay, so it blinks telling you how much battery is left. There's 2 right there. So right now if we slap, for example, I have a Pixel 3a XL, we'll put it on. There you go. It charges right away. Super simple as that. Again, this isn't going to charge the Pixel 3a XL super fast or anything like that because that's Google's proprietary weird charging with the Pixel stand. What we can do is plug in a USB-C cable here and then plug it into, let's say, a Pixel 3a XL. And charging rapidly, so it's going to quick charge, so it's going to fast charge Pixel or any device that uses power delivery. Unfortunately, this won't support charging, let's say, like a Nintendo Switch or a laptop that uses power delivery charging. Fortunately, that's not something that's possible. So what we can do, technically, is we can wirelessly charge a Pixel phone. You can wirelessly charge Samsung devices, any device that uses wireless charging. You can quick charge up to 10 watts wirelessly. You can charge another device via USB-C power delivery, for example Pixel. I think Razer phone does it. A couple others that are out there can do power delivery. Essential phone is one of them actually. And then you can actually use another device via the USB-A port and charge that quickly. That does like quick charge 2.0, 3.0, for example. Right now, this doesn't support quick charge 3.0 or 2.0. It does power delivery. So we can see it just says charging slowly, but you could theoretically charge 3 devices all at the same time. You'll be able to keep them topped up very easily by placing a device that does wireless charging right here on the top. This is going to be my new go-to battery bank. It is pretty hefty, so if you're going to put it, let's say, in a bag, just be mindful of that. It's a nice heft to it. This feels great. It's going to keep a phone not from sliding around when it's charging, but of course if you're going over bumps like in the car, it is going to slide off that way. But if it's just on a table like this, it's not going to move around, anything like that. The battery bank will actually move before the phone moves off of it. So here we can take a look at the 20,000 mAh battery bank that I checked out before, in terms of the actual thickness of these two. So you get double the amount of capacity versus this one, but you get wireless charging, a more premium build. This is plastic, this is aluminum alloy, and then you also have a much taller form factor as well. They're about the same. Actually, this one's a little thinner in terms of narrowness, but something also to remind you that this supports fast charging both input and output. You can charge this via USB-C, so that's going to actually, you can do power delivery, fast charging, or Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. So if you have a USB-C cable, you can quick charge this guy, which will recharge quicker and give you a lot more juice faster than this one does. So that's just something else to compare, but nonetheless, I've been happy with this white one. I carry it with me when I go traveling. This is micro USB. It's another old interface, older style. This one definitely is super nice. You can see the size in comparison to, let's say, an Essential phone here. It is pretty much the thickness of, let's say, 2 devices, I would say, or 1.25. Thank you all for watching the unboxing of the Xiaomi wireless battery bank. If you guys have questions, let me know down in the comments below. If you want me to do a follow-up video on this, or if you're curious of anything else, let me know. I'll do my best to help you all out and answer those questions. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.